Hi guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm about to show you a method using which you'll be able to earn money from Instagram. Yes, you heard it right. You have to use Instagram and you don't have to create any content. Yes, you heard it right. You don't have to create any videos. You don't have to create any photos. You don't have to do any hard work. All it is going to take is a few simple steps and a few hours of your time, and then you can make $100 every few hours. Yes, that's how simple this method is. Now this method also involves you using one other website which is going to pay you to do these tasks. And I'm about to show you in this video everything which is needed to learn this method and apply it online right now. Now before getting started, I'll recommend you to like this video and make sure you subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you get updates of our future videos as well. Now I would like to also tell you that at the end of this video I have a special bonus for you, a bonus which will help you to make more money online, and that is an automated method. So I want you to pay close attention to this video now, because this is going to cover every single thing. Now don't think of skipping some things because you think that you already know a lot of stuff, because there are beginners out there who are so confident in themselves that they avoid simple tasks and they end up making big mistakes. So that's why I want you to watch this video completely. Now this is not going to be a longer video, like more than 10 minutes, so at least you can invest this much time in watching this video. So now let's get started. Now I want you to first go on Instagram. Now when you go to Instagram, you can see that they have this form here where you can log in. Now if you don't have an account yet, you can click on sign up and enter your phone number, your full name, your username and your password and click on sign up. Now what type of account you need to create? So there are three categories which I am about to show you, in which you have to create content. It can be related to pets. For example, you can create an Instagram page related to dogs. You can create an Instagram page related to cats. You can create an Instagram page related to any kind of hobby. For example, you can create an Instagram page related to fishing. You can create an Instagram page related to sketching, painting, arts, clays. You can do all of that stuff. Now you can also create Instagram pages related to nature, mountains, rivers and all of that stuff. Now why are these three categories important? Well, these categories have lots and lots of content online which you can already use without clicking your own pictures, without clicking any pictures from your own phone, without even having to do any hard work. Like if I go to Unsplash right now, like on Unsplash you can find lots of beautiful pictures related to pets. So when I search for pets on Unsplash, you can see that there are lots and lots of images of cute pets coming. So you can use all of those images. There are no copyright issues along with these, because these are absolutely free for. Now I want you to also search for nature. So when you search for river, you'll find lots of beautiful images related to rivers. If you search for parks, you'll find lots of beautiful pictures related to parks. So you can see that there are lots and lots of pictures available online on Unsplash. Now Unsplash is not the only website. I can show you a few other websites. For example, there is this website called as Pixabay. So there is this website called as Pixabay. This also gives you lots and lots of options to select pictures, and these pictures are all copyright free. That means you can use these pictures in any way you want. Like if I search for river here, I'll find lots of beautiful pictures related to rivers and natures. Like you can use any of these pictures on your own Instagram account and you won't face any copyright issues. There is one more amazing website called as Freepik. So on Freepik as well, you can find lots and lots of beautiful pictures related to rivers, related to dogs, related to anything. Like if I search for dog on Freepik, you'll see that there are lots and lots of pictures related to dogs are coming. Like I need to click on photos here, and these all also doesn't need you to like buy them. These are free to use images, so you can use images from Freepik as well. You can see there are lots and lots of professional images related to dogs. If you want to find another website, then I want to show you one other website. So there is this website called as pixels.com. You can go to Pixels, and here as well you can search for any kind of images. Like if you want to search for outdoor images, you can do that. They also have like over 350,000 images for outdoors and nature photography. So therefore this is a never ending topic, and you can find infinite amount of pictures and start using for your social media accounts. These are breathtaking images and will be liked by all the people on social media, because everyone wants to see this kind of nature, and this is only possible when you are having a professional camera. Otherwise normal people are not able to take these kind of photos, right? So that's why. Now, how to make money out of this? So I want you to follow 3 simple steps if you want to make money online using this method. First, you need to create an Instagram account. Second is you need to start posting these pictures on a regular basis. Like you need to do this stuff for like 5 to 10 days continuously. And then you need to do one more thing, and that is start following other accounts and their followers who have like similar audience as yours. For example, if I am posting elephant related photography, so I need to follow other pages which are related to elephants. I need to follow their followers as well so that they get notifications, and then when they get your notification they will follow you back. It's a very simple step. Like this doesn't involve me to explain anything as well. Like if I go to any account related to elephants on Instagram, then all I want you to do is go to these accounts. You can follow these accounts. You can click on followers of those accounts and then follow these people. Like when you click on this button, it will show you a list of all the followers of Element family, and then you need to follow all of those people. So these people are going to follow you back. Like out of every 1,000 people you follow, you'll be getting at least 200 to 300 follow backs, and this is where the money lies. Like you will be creating an Instagram account and then start making an audience out of it using other people's content, and as soon as you reach 1,000 followers within like 5 days or 10 days, you can sell it. So now there is this website called as socialtradia.com. It's a platform where you can buy and sell Instagram accounts. Yes, they have authentic Instagram accounts, risk-free transactions, and quick process. That means you just have to come to this website. You need to click on the sell button here, and then you have to enter all of these details, like how many followers you have, what's your name, what's the category, what's your information, your email, your PayPal, and all of that stuff. And then they will be giving you a space on their platform. Now other people can come to this platform and actually purchase your Instagram account. So all of this information is mentioned here. Like if you want to go here and read all of that, you can do that. But in short, I've already explained you. Now what kind of Instagram accounts do they already have? So you can see that categories, and you can see that they have lots and lots of categories here. So you can see like there are categories for almost everything which you can imagine of. Now we are looking for pets and animals categories. So you can go to pets and animals, and you can see that an account which just have 2,000 followers is actually getting $110. 2,200 followers, $120. So you can see that the potential to earn money using this is infinite. So if you work on 10 pages parallelly, and like you just imagine working on 10 pages parallelly, posting one picture on each of them one day, and then following like 100 to 200 people every single day from each one of those. So when you do that, and when you have a following of like 1,000 plus, you can easily make $100 if you get a good deal. So just imagine making $100 for an account which doesn't have your content, which doesn't need any hard work. If you work on 10 pages parallelly, by the end of week you'll have $1,000 in your pocket. That's how easy it is to use socialtradia.com to make money online. And now it's time for the special bonus. So guys, before I quit, I would like to introduce you to this amazing application called as Pockets. Now this application has been proven to make over $517 daily for my own friend Siyun. Now he don't need any kind of computer to do this thing. He's banking $517 online every single day by just using this application. This application provides him with free traffic, and now it's your turn to generate this kind of money online by coming to this web page and clicking on this button right here. Now you can even see a daily sales screenshot of the amount of money he's able to earn, and not only that, you'll also get access to some other bonuses when you click here. So go to the link in the description right now and get instant access to Pockets app and start making money online. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Now before you quit, I would like you to like this video and press the subscribe button along with the bell icon so that you get notifications of our future videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.